just like what you see right here, someone contacts me on my WhatsApp right here. I saw your video, just like what you see the message right here. I saw your video on YouTube while researching, and the video was about how to make suppliers, and you also stated that you can also help to make payment on Pinduoduo. Please, can you help me with payment on Pinduoduo? Please, can you help me with payment on my Pinduoduo? I don't have international passport yet to verify my WeChat or Alipay. So this is the question right here, and I walk you through step by step on how we actually make payment for this particular order right here. And this is my response right here, just like what you see right here. If you need my procurement and shipping service from China, either 1688, Pinduoduo or Taobao, you can see my response right here. So this is the response on the question right here. Not procurement helping with payment, sending link of payment to you. I say, okay, you can send, you are paying 5% of total purchase in yuan or in naira equivalent. And this is their payment request QR code right here. And I'm going to go ahead now and make this payment on my Alipay. So next thing I'm going to do here is to exit from here. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open my Alipay. So I'm going to unlock my Alipay. Then after opening up my Alipay, next thing I'm going to do is to click on scan right here. Then I have to make sure I go ahead and click on my album. Then I need to make sure I look for the QR code from my Alipay right here. So here is the code right here. Here is the QR code. I'm going to select it. Having selected the QR code, I will click on done. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with payment. And I'll click on here now. Then I enter my payment password.